Namaste, welcome back to the Pragna channel and welcome back to another episode of AWS Card Clash. So in today's video, we are going to design an architecture where we are going to build a multi-language notification system by using serverless and machine learning services, which provide sentiment analysis to the notification before sending it its recipients. And the cards we are going to, service cards we are going to use are API Gateway API, DynamoDB, Lambda, Amazon Pinpoint is something we are using for the first time, AWS Step Functions, and AWS Translate. And then, as usual, we are going to use IAM as the security card. So AWS Translate, what does it do? It translates or converts from one language to another language. Your text, the text that you have given to that machine learning service. So here is our architecture design. So let him, oh, it's our chance again. Nice. So let's look at the diagram here. So you have the support app, and then they have the using that app, they will make an API call to AWS Amazon API Gateway API, and then you will get the notification to Lambda. It is going to trigger Lambda, and then you have AWS Step Function workflow. So you will have Step Function here. And then what is going to happen in here, I guess run code with, yeah, Lambda. I guess this is another Lambda. So this Lambda is going to use DynamoDB to store the data, and this is going to use fluent and accurate machine translation, which is our translate, and this is going to be SNS most likely, or I think we are missing one, pinpoint. You will use pinpoint to send mass messages or voice notifications to the users. So let's go back, and as usual we only got one. I don't have a security card, so you know me already. I won't place any cards if I don't have a security card. AI will steal it. What is the point? Pinpoint. See, immediately he plays the pinpoint. Let's steal it. If I get a pinpoint, I'm stealing it. Of course, I won't get a pinpoint. Again, no security card. I can place the translate, but I'm afraid AI might steal it. So let's see. If the AI steals, I will be mad because this is the first time we are placing without a security card. Okay, he didn't get it. Nice. I hope I get a security card now. What is happening? This round, I didn't get a single security card yet, and I'm getting +1. Seriously? I can steal his Lambda, but he will steal it back. So let's not do that. Okay, let's try that. Let's see. Miss Gorilla, don't strike me. Don't strike me, please. Don't strike me now. Okay, nice. DynamoDB. Okay, nice. Give me 2 security cards right now. Okay, you don't want to. Nice. And you're giving me all this. See, there are this many cards. If I place more cards, I want to steal it, but Miss Gorilla is going to destroy. That's fine. Let's do that. Let's see. For some reason, I'm not getting single security card. Now, Miss Gorilla, no, 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 kill my Lambda. My translate. See, he lost 1 point, I lost 3 points. That is why. See, finally I got this, but I only got one though. I need one more. API Gateway API. That's okay. Let's see how many he's going to steal. I have 2 services open for him to kill. 3 maybe. Is this mine? Come on, give me some security cards. Okay. I know I can place it, but let's steal it for fun. Did I place this? No. Okay, I already placed it. He will steal one of mine, definitely. Oh, he don't have enough energy. Yeah, good for me. Come on. Should we steal it for fun? Let's steal it for fun. Okay, next round, I guess we will finish it. Miss Gorilla, if Miss Gorilla lets us. Oh, he finished it. See, this is what the AI does. If you have only one slot, but that's okay. We won and we will get more than 62%. That's what I'm looking for. So this is our architecture diagram. As I mentioned previously, take a screenshot and save it for yourself because you can use these architecture diagrams in your interviews and in your resumes and etc. You will get the API call from the support app to the API gateway API. Then that is going to run behind the scenes Lambda. That Lambda will trigger the step function flow. It will start with a Lambda, and that Lambda will have again the payload will come from here to here, here to there to here, and then the payload will be stored on DynamoDB as well as it will be sent to the translate for the translation. And then whatever is translate, this will run this one, right? Then it will get the data, then it will send the data to Lambda so that it can use pinpoint to send SMS and voice notifications. So if we look at our match summary, yes, Miss Gorilla hit once and I got 72%. So 3 stars, no fouls. I spent more energy than and I stole 3 times. See, this is the trick for getting 3 stars. I hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And do leave some comments telling me if you are enjoying this, if you are doing it along with me in parallel or not, and are you getting 3 stars in each round? Let me know in the comments. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Peace out.